Washington and Rome, two cities so far apart, are actually very similar. The capital of the US reminds us of Rome because it was designed and built at the end of the 18th century, precisely in 1791, as the New Rome. The imitation of Rome is clearly visible in the monumental and most important buildings, but also in the decorations of the public buildings, built in neoclassical style in the 19th and in the 20th centuries. Among the similarities, there is Capitol Hill, the largest historic residential neighborhood in Washington, D.C. The name harks back to Rome, since Capitol Hill is translated as Campidoglio. We can see that the American Dome was built taking cues from Michelangelo's Dome of St. Peter's in the Vatican. In addition, the fresco of the American Dome, the Apotheosis of George Washington, was created by the Roman painter Costantino Brumidi. He emigrated to the US and later became the official artist of the government. For this reason, he was called the American Michelangelo. At the center of the National Mall, the monumental and administrative center in Washington, there is the Washington Monument. It is a larger-scale copy of the Vatican obelisk, located in the center of St. Peter's Square. The American Dome is located in front of the Washington Monument, just as in St. Peter's Square in the Vatican, an obelisk is located in front of the giant dome. Another Roman monument that Americans were inspired by is the Pantheon. We can see the same style in the Jefferson Memorial and in the Central Hall of the National Gallery. The seat of the Supreme Court in Washington, built in 1935, faithfully traces the Temple of Hadrian, located in Piazza di Pietra in Rome. Union Station, the central train station, is very similar to the baths of Diocletian. In addition, if we look at the Madison Memorial Building, we can see that the facade is similar to the Palazzo delle Fontane in Eur, a 1940 work by architect Gaetano Minucci. Finally, in Washington, D.C., there was a stream that now is underground called Tiber Creek Washington City Canal. If we translate it into Italian, it was called Tevere, just as the river that passes through the city of Rome.